Montego Bay has a new mayor. Former Deputy Mayor Leroy Williams has replaced Homer Davis, who is the MP-elect for South St. James. Kelisha Williams has the story.
This is the man who has taken over from Homer Davis as mayor of Montego Bay. On Sunday, former Deputy Mayor Leroy Williams was handed the baton in the presence of councillors and other stakeholders in the St. James Municipal Corporation.
It is with a humble and grateful heart and a sense of pride that today, Sunday, September 13, 2020, I, Leroy Williams, accept the position of Chairman of the St. James Municipal Corporation and Mayor of the City of Montego Bay.
The post became vacant after then Mayor Homer Davis was declared Member of Parliament-elect for the St. James Southern constituency, having won the seat in the September 3rd general election. The Local Governance Act of 2016 disqualifies Mr. Davis from being both mayor and Member of Parliament. Section 15(1) states that if the mayor is disqualified or incapable of performing his or her functions, then the mayor must resign, and the deputy mayor should be the replacement. In this case, Leroy Williams. Mr. Davis led the municipal corporation for 4 years.
I will always remember the 4,747 days that I've spent here. I will always carry every memory in my heart, wherever I go.
As for the new mayor, he will hold the position until the next local government elections according to the Local Governance Act of 2016. Until then, Mr. Williams said he will be embarking on a number of initiatives within the city.
I have no grandiose or unachievable plans to announce. Neither do I intend to reinvent the wheel. But let me say to the councillors, the staff of the St. James Municipal Corporation, and the citizens of Montego Bay that the sale of the Bogue land is high on the agenda, because from its proceeds, we intend to build a modern arcade on the site of the Old Shoes Market for our small vendors.
A deputy mayor was also selected on the spot, with councillors first nominating candidates, then casting their votes. In the end, Richard Vernon was selected. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.